Opinionated peeps, so I go on. Now, if me appear upset, then you're not supposed to understand why. If I appear as if I am upset right now, then you should understand why. Take a good look at this picture on the screen. People, take a good look at this picture on the screen. And take a look at the surroundings. Take a look at what you're seeing on the screen right now. Clearly garbage, right? And if you look at the box, where the inner the garbage, it contains an infant, newly born young baby. Now, who that wouldn't upset people? Who that would not upset? How can a human being do that to another human being, especially to a child, an infant baby? That's like you're saying, in your eyes, that child is garbage, you know. In your eyes, that child is nothing but garbage, so you're going to toss it away like nothing. That's what that tells me, you know. If you are going to put an infant baby in a dump, that means you are telling me in your eyes that child is nothing but garbage to you. Now, who that wouldn't upset us, Mr. People? I said over and over again, people too like to make excuses, medical explanations for humans who do things like this. We too like to make excuse for them. Now, I posted that picture on my Instagram, and I read the comment section. And in the comment section is flooded with, oh, depression is a serious thing. Right? Postpartum depression is a serious thing. Not every mother knows how to deal with situations like this. Me say, too often we make excuses for people when them do nonsense like this. Why would you take that child and put that child in a box and put the box in the garbage? There are so many other options that could have been chosen. You could have dropped the child at one police station. You could have dropped the child at one clinic. You could have found anywhere, anybody else, any farmer organization, and drop this child. And just simply say, I am unable to take care of this child. Or even just say, I feel like I may put this child in harm's way. That's all you have to tell any organization, and them take the Pickney from you, you know. If you go to the police station and bring that baby and say, officer, I feel like I am going to endanger this child, please take the child, the officer will take that child. And you would not getting any problems. So why would you as a mother give birth to a newly born infant, and instead of taking that infant to any institution and handing it over, you would rather to dump it like a garbage? And then people come and make excuses for you and say, oh, them under postpartum depression, or it is stressful. Not many young mothers don't know how to deal with situations like this. That is why they do that. Nonsense. And if you don't know how to deal with pregnancy, don't go grind. Plain and simple. If you don't know how to deal with getting pregnant, don't go take. No, man. I just this on me and put it right now. I just this on me and put it right now. I know someone not gonna say about unstoppable. You don't know the situation. You don't know if the young lady probably was raped and that is the product of molestation or something. Yeah, me understand, I don't know that. But even if that is the case, that mother, I'm quite sure, has enough sense to know say don't dash your Pickney in a garbage. You know when the crime comes in? Is the fact that you discard that child like garbage. That's when the crime comes in, when you leave a child abandoned. That is when you commit a crime, If you take that child and take it to any institution and say you cannot, you are unable to care for this child, you are not going to get in any problems, you are not committing any crime, you're not breaking any laws, you're not endangering any lives. You're not endangering any life if you take that infant to any institution and hand it over. You could have even bring the baby to a church and say, Pastor, please, take this child and make sure it gets the proper care that the baby needs. But instead, you choose to go dash with the Pickney like garbage right next to a bunch of dirty, nasty. What if all some wild dog did go next to that garbage there and see that baby there? What if some wild dog did find that baby there in the garbage? Hey people, you can just imagine what would have happened if some wild dogs did find that baby in the garbage. But me can tell you this, thank God that baby was found, because I have strong hopes that baby is going to come out to be somebody great. That baby where you throw in a garbage is going to come out to be someone great in a life. See? Someone great. And as me say, you no need to stop make excuse for them people here when them do nonsense. Everybody want to find a medical reason why people do things these days. What happened to people just being straight up wicked, stupid and dumb? Those are reasons why people do things these days too, Yeah. Evil, stupid, and dumb. Valid reason why some of these people do things these days too. Because like I said in videos before where I've seen this happen, because I know one time it happened, or two, it happened multiple times that we've seen. And like I said before, if them have enough sense to say, here, put the baby in a box, wrap up the baby, and rest the baby, yes, so carry the baby, go put on the baby there, so them could have enough sense to bring the baby to some place where the baby would have been safe. See it? Now, I don't know where this happened. It's just that someone sent me the picture and said, Unstoppable, please post this. I don't know where it happened. I don't know if it's Jamaica or which country. But it doesn't really matter where it happened. It no matter where. It no matter where it happened. It's still wrong. That is an innocent child that did not ask for come on the earth, yeah. Innocent baby when you ask for the, yeah. And you go up for your foot. You go take man. You go breed. And you bring a baby upon this earth. Just we go dash it away like garbage. How you sleep? How you feel within yourself? How you go lay down and rest comfortably after doing something like that? Tell me. How? How you lay down and sleep? How you close your eyes and feel comfortable for sleep, knowing that you just dash where your Pickney. Dash where your Pickney like garbage. And people, I mean literally, can you see which part the person put the baby? In the dump. So that's literally saying you dash with the Pickney like garbage. And we're supposed to be understanding when people do things like that. We're supposed to accept that it's a medical condition why them do things like that. No, not all the time. Not all the time, because I can guarantee you, most of the times when the police do catch up with these parents, these mothers who do them thing here, them have all them senses. Them have all them senses. So me just say this, people. Me just say this. Any young mother out there right now, if you're pregnant and you don't know how to deal with carrying a child and taking care of a child, please find a hospital, find a clinic, find a church, find a police station, and take that baby and just simply say, officer, or whoever you are talking to, just simply say, I feel like I may endanger this baby's safety. Right? I feel like I may put this baby at risk, so just please take this child from me. Don't dump it. Don't dash it away. Alright? Watch out, man, people. As me always tell you, you know, talk to me down below in the comment section, because your opinion matters. This is my opinion. My opinion is not law, neither is it the gospel, but it is mine, and I'm entitled to it. Talk to me in the comment section. See you? Little more.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.